A warm good evening to one and all. On behalf of Dayanand Education Societies, Dayanand Science College, we are delighted to offer a gracious welcome to all of you to this valedictory session of International E-Conference on Nonlinear Analysis and its Applications, organized by Department of Mathematics. It's our privilege to have with us Honorable Rameshji Biyani, Secretary, Dayanand Education Society, Latur, as the President of the valedictory session. May I request Principal Dr. J.S. Dargar sir to welcome Honorable Ramesh Biyani sir by offering a flower. Thank you, sir. I extend a gracious welcome to Professor Mehman Kukukslan, Head, Department of Mathematics, Mersin University, Turkey, who has joined us on the virtual platform. We are truly humbled by your online presence, sir. It's indeed our honor to welcome Professor Javed Ali from Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, India, who has joined us online. Hearty welcome to you, sir. We are glad to welcome Professor A. Razani, who has joined us online as a guest of honor. I would like to call upon Dr. S.S. Bellade, convener of the conference, to welcome Dr. S.P. Gaikwad, sir, Principal, Dayanand College of Arts, Latur, by offering a bouquet. Thank you, sir. I call upon Dr. Rohini Shinde to welcome Dr. S.S. Bellade by offering a bouquet. Thank you. The COVID-19 outbreak has brought a drastic change in all walks of life. The academic activities of the teaching fraternity are not exception for that. However, so far as technology is there, no need to cease the academic activities. It is well said. A pessimist complains about the wind, an optimist tries to change it, and a leader adjusts the sails. And accordingly, the first online international conference has been organized by our college amid the global pandemic under the leadership of Honorable DES Management, Principal Dr. J.S. Dargar, and Vice Principal Dr. S.S. Bellade. Now, may I request Professor Javed Ali sir, who has joined us online, to read out the report of the conference. Professor Javed Ali from Aligarh University, Aligarh, India.
Give the report of the 3 days conference. So now we are in the last day of the conference. So in this conference, 304 participants registered, means including the invited talk and this one. So 304 is a very big number. And very important thing about this event is that this is the first online international conference during this pandemic COVID-19, because we have so many webinars, but this is a basically full-time conference. And this conference also is sponsored by UGC program of the college. So out of 304, 46 participants from abroad, like from Turkey, from Iran, from Romania, from Thailand, from Russia, and some other countries, and rest of them from India. And in last 3 days, we have just arranged the 21 invited talks. Out of the 21 invited talks, 3 talks were plenary talks. So first day, keynote talk. So first keynote talk was the Professor Mursaleen from Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. And in the next two sessions, we have the other plenary talks. So next talks were given by the Professor B.S. Thakur, then Mohammed Kojuka Aslan, and then we have the talks in the parallel sessions. So, and beside these 21 invited talks, we also arrange the 12 short talks. And then 153 paper presentations in the different four parallel sessions. So we have the basically four channels, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and in the second half and before the lunch, we basically arrange the paper presentations in the four parallel sessions. Uh, and then, of course, today we started with the keynote talk of the Professor J.K. Kim from the South Korea, and then it continued by the Professor Razani. And of course, Professor Razani initially we assigned a plenary talk, but later on we extended this talk for the 1 hour, even more than 1 hour. So we thank to Professor Razani. And so this is the basically report card from my side. And now I have one announcement. So after the successful organization of this conference or conduction of this conference, we will publish the proceeding of this conference in the two journals. One journal is Nonlinear Functional Analysis and Application, which is the Scopus Index journal, and Professor J.K. Kim is the chief editor. So we will publish some selected paper in this journal, and some other selected papers will be published in the Aligarh Bulletin of Mathematics. So this journal is very old journal also, almost more than 42 years old journal from my department. And initially it was in the UGC listed, and now again we are in the process from maybe in the next 2-3 months it will be again UGC listed. So we will welcome good papers from the participants and of course from the speakers for this special issue of these two journals. Thank you very much, madam. So now just I hand over the.
Thank you very much, sir, for the precise report reading. In these 3 days, we have had good deliberations on the various aspects of the topic nonlinear analysis and its applications. The conference has brought together the experts, researchers, and the teaching fraternity. Some of our participants would like to express their views on this occasion. So first of all, I request Professor Manish Jain, who is from Haryana, to share his views. Professor Manish Jain.
Hello? 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 Good evening, everyone. Actually, I don't have much words to express the wonderful experience of this conference. My emotions and feelings cannot be expressed in words, but still I manage. First of all, I would like to thank Department of Mathematics, Dayanand Science College, and to organize such a great event and to provide a platform to the mathematicians of all over the world to share their research and scientific findings together. Such type of events boost our inner power to do more in our research fields. We have explored a lot of new things during this conference. It was really a great experience to have learned big things via this international conference, even during this period of corona pandemic through this online mode. When people are suffering from depression, this online conference motivated us to keep on moving, to keep our research updated, and to exchange ideas and to interact with all our colleagues across globe. And of course, the conference inspired us to design some new mathematical models useful for the society also. I am thankful to organizing team, especially Professor Siddesh Bilal sir and Professor Javed Ali sir, for responding all the mails, WhatsApp, and full phone calls of the participants. I request organizers to kindly organize more such events of conferences, workshops, faculty development programs, and refresher courses to update our academic knowledge. Once again, I am thankful to the organizing committee for providing me this platform to share my views. Thanks again and congratulations to all for making this event a great success. Thanks.
Thank you, Professor Jain, for your kind appreciation. Now I request Professor Aradhana Nagar from IIT Madras to express her views on this occasion. Professor Aradhana.
Hello everyone. My name is Aradhana. Am I audible? Okay. I'm a research scholar at the Department of Mathematics, IIT Madras, and I found the ICNAA 2020 as very informative and creative. There were various creative short talks, invited talks, and contributory talks by eminent mathematicians all over the world. And the topics were also wide-ranging, starting from pure mathematics, applied mathematics. Then there were some related to biology, economics, and then physics, and many more important areas related to non-linear analysis and applications. And I thank the organizers, Dr. S.S. Bilale, convener of ICNAA 2020, Dr. Javed Ali, co-convener of ICNAA 2020, and Dr. J.S. Dargat, principal of Dayanand Science College, Latur, for organizing such a great event, and all their amazing team of professors and students also who helped them, because it made possible for us to attend such a great event in such a difficult time of COVID-19, and I'm very thankful. Conference went great and gave us an opportunity to present our papers on such a nice platform in front of the wider audience, and we got to learn much more from other people who were presenting here. And I would urge and request the organizers to keep organizing such events, conferences in the future also. Thank you so much for such an opportunity. Thanks everyone. Take care. Be safe.
Thank you so much, madam, for your encouraging words. Now I request Dr. Hemant Nashinev, Assistant Professor, Vellore Institute of Technology, Tamil Nadu.
So I'm glad to be a part of the team as a chairing the session and plenary talk. This is a wonderful experience in this lockdown. In the 4 month we are working on the research in papers and now. Now we got a chance to interact with the pupil and talk on the something what we have learned in this last 4 months. So this is a wonderful conference which is organized by the Dayanand Science College, and I would like to thank the organizer, Professor Bilale, Professor Javed, and the principal and his team, and that make a wonderful online MS tool. So we are using the MS tool for the classes and all in our colleges. So this is a wonderful experience to learn all this online things, to how to present without moving to our place to the any place of the world. So I think in future we will have such type of interaction, because this corona is not going to gone somewhere. So before December we will have the more conferences and we will interact to each other. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enthusiastic remarks. I request V. Srinivas, Assistant Professor, Telangana University, Telangana.
Myself, V. Srinivas, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics of Telangana University. Can you start, madam? All right, thank you. Now is it clear, madam? I thank you to all the organizers for hosting this international e-conference online with a good idea during the lockdown, and especially the timing of etc. as well as Rohini madam was very good. Technical support is also great. Approach taken by this international e-conference is very good. Dividing the process into four parts: alpha channel, beta channel, gamma channel, and as well as delta channel. Focus time is good. I am very happy to be participating in this international e-conference through online. Due to this policy, one can participate in international conference organized in any country. Of course, also reduces cost participating in international conferences. This international sympathy is great for the amount that even a passport is not required. I am very happy to with my paper presentation on this international symposium is proud. Thank you to organizing committee for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, madam. Hello. Hello. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Ajay Sharma would like to share his experience with us. Mr. Ajay Sharma from Assam. Over to you, sir.
No? Okay. Okay. First of all, thanks to organizing committee of Dharna Science College to organize international e-conference at present situation. And good evening to all the professors, doctors, and participants, organizing members, and all other respected persons. I really think the organizing committee has done great job as the way they communicate with us and organize the whole conference throughout the last 3 days. So I am happy and pleased to be a part of this conference, and I found myself very motivated, and also I found a new world of mathematics. So here I have seen and listened some mathematicians, doctors like Professor Kim, Professor Razani, Professor Izaruddin, Professor S.M. Jagdane, and many more who delivered their wonderful and nice, interesting presentations. So I am thanking all, and I would like to participate in this type of conference in future. So finally, thanking to Dr. S.S. Belali sir, Dr. Javed Ali sir, and Rohini madam also. So thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, Professor Rajendra Pant is there. So please call Professor Rajendra Pant.
Yeah, good afternoon to everyone. The Dayanand Science College management, the organizing committee of the conference, I would like to thank all of them. First of all, I would like to thank all of them to organize this international conference in a smooth manner by dividing the channels alpha, beta, gamma, delta, all those symbols we use in mathematics. And it was really a wonderful experience for me to share my work in this conference and to learn from other world-known mathematicians working in nonlinear analysis. Basically, this corona has created a lot of problems, but has given a lot of solutions as well of the communication with the world. It has reduced, in some sense, a lot of cost of traveling and given a platform for people to share their work through online channels. And now this has also reminded us that if we want to work, then we can work, and the way conference is organized has given indication to people that if they want to collaborate with others, then this type of platforms are really good for sharing the knowledge and having the collaborations worldwide, not just only in the local area. So I would like to especially thank Dr. Javed Ali, Professor Gulale, and Rosni Madam, and the whole Dayanand Science College committee needs to hold such type of events, because such type of events, they give a channel to people to exchange their knowledge, and then people get motivated, especially in this type of pandemic situations. So I would like to thank that they invited me and gave me a platform, and also I would like to thank all the participants, because a conference without participants cannot be really successful. So I would like to thank them also to participate, and I also motivate them to continue with this. So the Dayanand College, that they must continue these platforms for exchanging the knowledge in future as well. I would like to congratulate them for the success, conducting this successful event. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging appreciation. Now I request Professor Rajani, guest of honor, to express his views.
Okay. At first, I would like to send my best regards to Professor Javed Ali and Professor Bilali and the other organizers. And this is really wonderful experience for me in these coronavirus days, that we can communicate without any problems, and we can say to the coronavirus that you are nothing and we can do whatever that we want. So I can say happy to all of you, the organizer and your team, that you did a great job and you have a wonderful conference. And today morning, really, I just traveled to Turkey, to Korea, to India, and talked with my friends without any problem. So this is very wonderful. So I really enjoyed the talks during 3 days conference, from the short communication keynote speakers, and the topics were in the physics, mathematics, nonlinear analysis, functional analysis, and etc. I hope that you can continue your job and doing this kind of conference in the future without problem. Really, I am happy to be here, and thank you again for everything.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now I request.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Over to you.
Hello? Hello?
Share your views.
Okay. Thank you so much to have a chance to the work for the conference. Okay, I am very happy to meet you. Everybody come from the world, about 40 countries. As you know, the international conference is very important for our research, because we can get some information about my area. But in this conference is e-conference. But I am very sorry, but I'm very sad because I do not have a chance to meet offline. So, and also I didn't enjoy the Indian fruit. It is very sad. But I am very happy to meet you, everybody, and talking about something, and exchange to some information of the research area, research programs. So I am very happy, and I think that it is the very wonderful conference and very successfully ended, maybe. Thank you so much again to everybody and to organizing committee. Thank you again. Hello? Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Very grateful for your interesting remarks.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can we hear something from Dr. Farzani now? I think she is online. If you allow. Dr. Farzani, are you there? Dr. Farzani, are you there? No, I think she has same problem. Yeah, ma'am. I think she is not.
May I request Honorable President of the function kindly occupy the seat on the dais. Here will be the felicitation of the team members. Thank you, sir. I request Honorable Ramesh Biyani, sir, to felicitate Mr. Bhattad for successfully handling the technical side. Mr. Bhattad has played his role as a cameraman very successfully. Thank you for your kind cooperation. Once again, I request Ramesh Biyani, sir, to felicitate Mr. Sachin Patange for his enormous cooperation in making technical arrangements for Facebook Live.
Please felicitate to Pandit Ma'am for her anchoring.
I request Professor Shashikant Swami kindly accept the felicitation for your kind cooperation. Thank you, sir. I would like to call upon Principal Dr. J.S. Dargar, sir, to address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. The Honorable President of this valedictory function of this 3 days International Conference on Mathematical Analysis and its Application, Sri Ramesh Biyani, a visionary and dynamic person of Dayanand Education Society, Latur, the chief guest of this 3 days International Online Conference valedictory function, Professor Dr. Mehman Kuku Slan from Marsin University, Turkey, the conference report reader, Dr. Javed Ali from Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, India, our colleague principal, Dr. S.P. Gaikwad sir from Dayanand College of Arts, Latur, the convener, Dr. S.S. Billade, organizing secretary, Dr. Rohini Shinde, all the distinguished invited guests, resource persons, delegates, participants from different corners of India and abroad, students, ladies and gentlemen. This is the last day and the last event of this 3 days international conference organized online by our institute. In this valedictory function, I welcome our president of this valedictory function, Sri Ramesh Biyani, chief guest, and all other dignitaries joined online, all the participants, from my bottom of heart. First of all, I congratulate the head of the Department of Mathematics, Dr. S.S. Bellade, by taking initiative and organizing this 3 days international online conference. We are also planning to organize such international conferences in the subject of physics and in the subject of chemistry in the month of August and September respectively. As it is decided in our IQAC meeting, regularly the college used to conduct the internal quality assurance cell meeting regularly before the pandemic. The meeting was held and it has been decided to organize international conference in the subject of mathematics, physics and chemistry for this academic year. We were under the plan to organize the conference offline, but instantly the pandemic happens and we have forced to organize such a conference virtually. So you know, before 3 years back in 2017, Dr. Bellade and his team also organized an international conference in the subject of mathematics. And at that time, I am here too much pleasant to see the faces of Professor Kim, Professor Kim from South Korea, Professor Dr. Berinde from Romania, Javed Ali, and all new faces. So we were met in 2017 and now online we are meeting you. But our aim was to organize the conference offline, which was organized previously. As you know, to organize the conferences or seminar or any type of activity online, there are certain limitations. We have crossed the limitations, whatever the barriers, and we have tried to our best to organize such activity or event. I am really here proud to say here that this conference has been a successful organization, as I have seen many feedbacks from our participants and delegates. But the organization of conference or any event offline, that is a different part. The real enjoyment takes place in offline event, I think so, because we, the persons, the researchers, the scientists, meet face to face, discuss during lunch hours, during dinner hours, during the breakfast hours, at the staying or at the accommodation, and the time which we used to spend during that offline conferences really enjoyable and fruitful. But in such a online conferences, simply everyone has to sit at their home and to switch on the laptops or PCs or the Android cells and to listen the online lectures. No doubt, due to the pandemic, the education should not be stopped. The research should not be stopped. So for that purpose, we have to use such methodology, and no doubt in future, because we know such a COVID-19 situation, when it will stop, don't know. Everyone don't know about this. So during the future period also, we have to adopt the online technology, and fortunately in our institute, we are doing too much work to penetrate the knowledge through this online teaching learning process. I have seen many research papers through this conference were presented, also many plenary lectures. So whatever the research based presentation carried out through this conference, no doubt new ideas or the new methodologies of research have been developed through this conference. Whatever the new ideas or whatever the new knowledge gained by the participant, by the teacher, it should be penetrated among your student. This is the motto. Actually, this is the motto of any conference or to organize any seminar, as student is a center part of the education. So whatever you gain through this conference, it should be penetrated ultimately to your student. That's why the future generation, they will work on new problems, new research, and no doubt the field of mathematics will grow. And if the field of mathematics, as it is a twin of all basic sciences, and from the science and technology develops, so technology ultimately will develop and for the benefit of the human being. So finally, I wish you all the best for your academic and future career. Thank you very much.
The conference of such a dimension could be possible because of the unending inspiration and kind support of Shri Rameshji Biyani, a visionary, transmitting positive energy to us and giving us a new sense of hope and confidence in achieving the vision. Aspiration of life is always to expand, and so Shri Rameshji Biyani sir anticipates change and is proactive, always focusing on opportunities and making a systematic work environment in the organization. I kindly request Honorable Rameshji Biyani sir to deliver presidential address.
Namaskar and good evening to everyone. The chief guest of the 3 days international online conference validatory function, Professor Dr. Mehman Kukukslan, Marsin University, Turkey. The conference report reader, Dr. Javed Ali from Aligarh Muslim University, India. Principal Dr. Dargat sir, Convener Dr. Bellare, Organizing Secretary Dr. Rohini Shinde, Principal Arts College Dr. S.P. Gayakwad, distinguished resources persons, and all delegates, scholar and mathematician. Student and friends, I welcome you all on behalf of Dayanand Education Society, Latur, to this online validatory function. First of all, let me congratulate the Department of Mathematics and the head, Dr. Siddheshwar Bellare, and his team for taking this initiative and successfully organizing this 3 days international virtual conference in the subject of mathematics. I feel proud, I am happy today, and it's my pleasure and honor to join this validatory function and to be a part of this international conference. As we all know that now more than 300 million students worldwide are having their education disturbed by the spread of coronavirus. Schools and universities haven't faced this level of disruption in generations. But unlike any time in the past, we have the ability and alternative to continue education even when schools and colleges are closed. School, colleges, and universities across the world are creating use with online teaching learning options to keep students safe and healthy at home. Likewise, in our Dayanand Education Societies, all colleges, we have adapted a safe online virtual education platform to all our students. We are trying our best to deliver the best education to our students in such a situation also. Not only to our students, but also the different researchers of all of the various fields of the education. We have created online platforms for them, and conference is one of the such activity. The alternative revolution in the field of online teaching learning in the major dramatic change that the world education system is adapting. Technology becoming more and more evident, and in which mathematics will be at the very frontier of the revolution. As a mathematics plays an important role in the development of science and technology. Mathematics is the science that deals with logic of shape, quantity, and arrangement. Maths is all around us in everything we do. It is the building block for everything in our daily lives, including mobile devices, architecture, art, money, engineering, and even sports also. As we all knew that mathematics has a key role in knowing and developing each and every streams of education and all our life. Origin of mathematics is in the rhythm of life, the rhythm of nature, and rhythm of earth and galaxy and all Brahman. As at the time of COVID-19 pandemic, mathematics will help the world to get the rhythm again to the developing society. Since the beginning of the recorded history, mathematics discovery has been at the time forefront of every civilized society and in use in even the most primitive of cultures. The need of math arose based on the wants of society. The more complex a society, the more complex the mathematical needs. Primitive tribes needed little more than the ability of count, but also relied on maths to calculate the position of the sun and physics of hunting. No doubt, mathematics is the foundation of recognizing through a very long history of natural science. All at the conference, I hope you would learn new ideas from each other, which we could adapt for further improve our work in subject of mathematics. I came to know that there have been many interesting and useful research presentation in 3 days. Both the plenary session and the interactive session. I believe that many good experiences have been shared and good lessons learned. Many people have committed to the lot of good work has been done in the area of nonlinear mathematics and its application in the international conference. Renowned mathematicians are participated this conference and made presentations of their work and also discussed their current finding on mathematics and other fields of science. I hope the conference will be an opportunity for us to leap forward to the greater success in the development of science and technology by using applications of mathematics. Ladies and gentlemen, you have had a 3 days online stay and have participated actively, and I thank you for your actively participation and wish you all the best wishes go your academic life. Lastly, I would like to show my appreciation to Dr. Dargar sir, Principal of Dayanand Science College, and other outside distinguished personnel who made their utmost efforts in preparing this 3 days online event. I again hope by attending the conference, all of you will be encouraged and filled with new knowledge. I also believe that whatever the new knowledge you absorbed in this online conference, it should be penetrated among your students. Finally, I wish all safe life and every success in achieving your desired aims. Thanking you very much.
Thank you, sir. You showered us with your pearls of wisdom and knowledge. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. As we come close to the valedictory session, to the close of valedictory session, I invite Dr. S. Bellade, convener of the conference, to propose vote of thanks. After the vote of thanks, there will be the national anthem. So I request all the participants to please stay online.
Respected dais of this valedictory function, now it gives me an immense pleasure to vote of thanks. I would like to record my sincere thanks to Dr. Vesile Berinde from Romania, J.K. Kim from Korea, Murselin from Aligarh University for giving valuable talks in the keynote address. I also thank Professor B.S. Thakur, Mehmet from Turkey, Sajid from Saudi Arabia, Mehndi from Iran, Rajendra from South Africa, Biswas from Bangladesh, Fernandez from Cyprus, Rajani from Iran, Lilina from Romania, Marcela from Russia, Srinivas from Thailand, and other foreign plenary speakers for their valuable plenary talk. I would like to thank Nasine, Izar, B.R. Sontake, D.D. Pawar sir, Jogdan sir, Borkar sir, V.N. Misra sir, D.S. Palimkar sir from India who gave invited talk and the chair session during this conference. Their experiences and expertises will be very valuable for the participants and the felicitate all in the talking further direction towards the current research work in applied sciences. I also special thank co-convener of the conference, Javed Ali from Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, for supporting me and each event from starting to last point to organizing this conference. The organization of the present international e-conference has been possible with the financial support from UGCCP. I take this opportunity to thank all them. Our Dayanand Education Society has generously supported and given encouragement for the organization of this conference and such different events. So my special thank goes towards them. Honorable Lakshmi Ramanji Lahoti sir, President of Dayanand Education Society, a generous and supportive person, Honorable Rameshji Biyani sir, Secretary Dayanand Education Society, Honorable Sureshji Jain sir, Joint Secretary. I also express with the deep sense of gratitude to efficient administrative person Dr. J.S. Dargar sir, Principal Dayanand Science College Latur, for the moral support and proper valuable guidance. I also thank Dr. Shinde Madam, Pandit Madam, Thakre Sir, Chaudhary Sir, Pandge Sir, Mule Sir, Pimple Sir, Suryansh Sir for their valuable support for smoothly organization of this conference program and the schedule of that conference. I also thank technical support, that is a Microsoft Teams app. Also, that is a video cameraman Bhattar sir, Patange, Swami sir, and a technical staff, that is Hitkar, Pancha, Mule, for their valuable services. It also, I would like to acknowledge with thanks the sustained support, constructive criticism and assistance extended by the committee members, technical, non-teaching staff, teaching staff, and the students who are known and unknown but involved to make this conference great success. I also thank American Mathematics Society for displaying our brochure, our advertisement of our conference on their website. I also thank one and all. Thank you one and all.
I request all the participants to please keep standing as there will be the national anthem.